Do you ever wonder if there is a way to earn money from the comforts of your home? Well, you are lucky because in this video, I will show you one of the ways on how you can earn money online. With the money that you can get from this, you can surely live the life that you always want to have. You can buy your favorite food, drink your favorite liquors, and go to your dream destinations. Yes, I believe that you can experience everything just by earning money from the comforts of your bed or houses. With this internet technique, you can make $25 in less than 5 minutes. It really sounds better than doing nothing all day or spending your day working non-stop on your computer or typing assignment papers. To earn money online using this strategy, all you need to do is listen to this video and follow the steps that I will be talking about. Basically, you just need to own a computer or a smartphone and have a stable internet connection to start making money online. The earning potential for this hack is really high as you can actually earn $25 in around 2 minutes. In just 10 minutes, you can increase your earnings into $100. If you still have time after that, you can spend an hour doing this and you can definitely earn up to $600. Now, I know a lot of you are excited already, so stay tuned on this video as I will show you one of the easiest ways to earn money online. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. To start our video, here is another great website that can potentially generate a lot of money for you if you use it right. This website is called AskWonder.com. I think you are all curious as to what this website does. Well, AskWonder.com is what we will be using to make money online. It is a personal research assistant where students, professionals, and anyone else can ask and get detailed answers and resources from a trusted network of researchers. Now, you will just ask questions and they will deliver their answers through your email inbox. In their homepage, you will be able to read something that says, "Great research delivered fast." It is indeed a very powerful claim. However, you will be surprised that this site can really do it. They can deliver your research in a very speedy manner. Try to scroll down on their page and you will see some of their researchers. All of these people can offer you compelling, accurate, valid, and well-written research answers. Now, there are two kinds of people in this website. The first kind of people are the ones who are seeking answers to their research questions. The other kind of people on this website are the ones who are providing well-composed and brilliant answers. You might be wondering, what is the process behind this website? Well, there are people who have research ideas, and the people on AskWonder will come up with outstanding research questions that are related to the research idea presented. After that, they will build up a research team for you by bringing in tons of outstanding analysts from all over the world depending on the complexity, depth, and size of your project. Now, these analysts will examine and learn from various publicly indexed sources. They will use modern technologies and research methodologies to come up with viable conclusions within a small time frame. Before their research is accepted, it still comes under scrutiny through various processes. This is done to ensure that the answers are right. It undergoes a lot of quality tests before the clients receive it back. You might be asking, how would you earn from this? Well, the answer is really simple. You just need to become one of AskWonder's researchers. You will be one of the people who will provide answers to the wondering questions and inquiries of people around the world. That is right. You will become one of their research analysts to make money online. Now, you do not need to worry or panic because I will share with you a way on how you can become a fantastic analyst without exhausting yourself. Yes, it is totally possible and I will guide you on it. Before that, you still need to register as an interested researcher. To do this, look at the top right part of the page. You will see the sign up button. Now, you just need to click it and fill in the necessary personal information. You just need to put your work name and other stuff. You also need to agree to their terms and conditions. As you get accepted, you will be presented with various questions that you need to answer and submit an article about it. The article is worth at least $20. It is really a huge amount of money, right? I know you are all getting excited. Imagine, you just need to answer simple questions and you can already earn at least $20. That is just the minimum amount. You can still increase your earnings as time goes by. Since you're already done signing up, you can start earning money from this site. Try to look at your dashboard after you signed up. You will see multiple projects that are available for you to answer. This is the part where I will teach you the trick to answer these questions. Now, choose a project that you want to work on. Click it and wait until you get redirected to another page. This is where you will be able to submit your file. For example, some may ask why there are people who believe that the world is flat. You do not need to rack up your brain for some mind-boggling answer to these questions. All you need to do is to use Google to know the answer. You just need to research on Google the possible answers. Yep, you heard it right. You just need to type the questions on Google and look for the best answers about it. If you do not prefer Google, then you can use any other search engines available for you. All you need to do is copy the question. After that, proceed to google.com and paste it on the search bar. Press enter and the site will reload to show you all the various sources that you can use to get the right answers. Now, my most helpful trick that I can share with you is to find sources that are verified. AskWonder is partnered by legitimate and well-known companies. Thus, you really need to provide credible and factual information that will sufficiently answer the question presented. Hence, you should always remember to use verified and valid sources of information in order to not miss such a great deal of money. After you search on Google, you can now open word processing softwares such as Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Begin to copy and paste the best possible answers that you have found on the internet. You can combine all the answers that you have found into a single document. Just take note, you need to make sure that these answers remain cohesive and unified. It should remain sound, clear, and concise. Make sure to keep it comprehensive. The answers found on Google are often comprehensive enough, but it would not hurt to recheck it again. After you're done collating the answers into a single document, you can submit the article on the site already. Just proceed to AskWonder and look for the submission bin. As for the pay, you do not need to worry as they will link it to your PayPal account or other preferred online wallet as soon as possible. It would only take a couple of hours to a day to do this. Again, it is really an easy way to earn money online. You just need to type and search on Google and you will already get paid. Awesome, right? Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.